These are my beautiful peace lily plant, but they have yellow leaves here. In today's video particularly, I am going to talk about why peace lily has some yellow leaves and main 5 or 6 reasons why the leaves turn yellow. There could be 5 or 6 reasons. Number 1 reason is overwatering. Number 2, underwatering. Let me check here first. I want to stick my finger and make sure to check the water moisture here. So here in this plant I see very little moisture, meaning it needs some water, underwatering issue. It's going through underwatering. So it could be the reason it has yellow leaves. Number 2, overwatering. When you put too much water and the water doesn't go through here, the right hole here, it may go through, it may have more than necessary water. So when you stick your finger like I showed before, you will see it's kind of damp in the soil. You can try yourself. Number 3, it might need nutrients like human beings. Plant needs micronutrients, minerals, all kind of nutrients, micronutrients. Number 4, peace lily may be going through repotting shock. For example, when you are repotting the plant, like you can watch my previous video, if you are repotting plant, then it needs some time to recover. So some leaves, they are not going to die very soon, but the leaves are getting that kind of shock. Number 5 reason, they may lack proper light. Lighting condition, level of light could be, let's say, not proper for them, meaning this plant, they grow in indirect sunlight condition. So let's say if your window or if your place where you put your plant, if that place is not well lit or very dark, then they might not like that condition and then the leaves turn yellow. Number 6, they may have got disease or pest. If they have any disease and pest, they might have gone through that kind of shock and the leaves turn yellow. So in next videos, I will be showing what you can do to take care of your peace lily if their leaves turn yellow or later on they turn brown like this. If you don't take care of peace lily, they might die. So I will be providing solution to each problem or issue that I just talked about. Thank you for watching.